Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the QR process won't fail. Make sure the camera is powered, on the same network as your phone, and running a recent firmware version. Outdated firmware often disables QR generation. Once done, log in with an admin account or note the serial number printed on the unit. Now open the HikConnect app or SAP tool. Either will let you reach the camera settings where the QR code is created. This prevents backtracking later. Next, you generate the QR inside the device management interface. In the HikConnect app, tap Devices, find your camera, and authenticate with admin credentials. In a browser or SAP tool, select the unit and open Advanced or Network settings. Then choose the Generate QR or Export function. Some panels call it Unlock via QR. Pick an expiry window if offered so the code isn't valid forever. Once the app makes the graphic, review it on screen before attempting to scan. Finally, scan the generated QR with the HikConnect app or the camera pairing tool. You should see the device added and showing online quickly. Test live view, playback, and any PTZ controls to confirm full access and ensure the camera's time and permissions are correct. If it fails, don't panic. Check firmware compatibility, network isolation, credentials, and whether the QR expired. If problems persist, export a new QR via SAP or the web client and reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.